everyone, hope you're well. So in the previous video I was guiding you like how you can change status in closed CRM when there is a reply from smart lead campaign. So if it is positive reply, it will change the status to qualified. If it is negative, it will be disqualified. So today we also need to reply to the leads who are positive or opportunities. So here in this automation we have a trigger like whenever the lead status will be changed, we have filter like if it is qualified or opportunity, then we need to generate a reply for that lead as well, whether it can be your like booking link or your service details or whatever you want. So we are uh, giving some instruction to ChatGPT like you are a assistant that draft professional executive level sales emails. We have some rules like concise tone, no emojis, no markdown and things like that. And then we are mapping the data from the previous modules, and we are getting the subject and email body, and we have reply generated. So basically the issue here is we have totally 37 email accounts here in smart lead from where we are approaching to leads, because there are thousands of leads. My client is approaching every day. One mail can send a maximum 100 mails a day. So here we have 37 branches. You can see 37 branches, and every branch is going for a different mail ID. This is for let's say transitionai.tutti.com. This will be going for transformhr.tutti.com. So all the branches are different mails. If let's say the sent lead approach lead was approach email ID was this one, it will go in this branch. And Outlook, the draft, we have a module like create a draft email, where and then it will create a draft email in the exact email ID, like this email ID, because the connection in Outlook is made for this email ID. So for every branch, the connection is according to the email ID that is here in the filter. So it is set up actually because let's say my client is approaching to a lead from a different mail ID, and we are sending the next reply from a different email ID. That can be awkward, that can be linked, cannot be linked. So that's why this automation will be working in backend, and it will saving a lot of time, because if you read all the mails, reply to them, it can take hours and hours and hours. So this automation can save a lot of your time. Just create the replies, you just have to review the draft and hit the send button, and later after a few days you can, if you like the automation, like it is working perfectly 100%, you can change the module to direct send a message, send a mail, not for generate a mail. So it will be working automatically, you don't have to review after that as well. So yeah, if you need some kind of thing, you can approach me on WhatsApp or on my Gmail ID. And if you have any questions, please comment or reach me on WhatsApp. Thank you.